JENNYCAR, headquartered in Guangzhou, China, is a high-tech enterprise with independent intellectual property rights in research and development, production, and sales. JENNYCAR has a powerful research and development technical force and advanced production quality management system. Also has an advanced laboratory, first-class production testing equipment, and intelligent automatic aging line. JENNYCAR LED provides safe, reliable, high-quality, intelligent environmental protection products and services to car modification market based on a powerful and advanced production quality management system. Every production from JENNYCAR has a perfect preparation course. It goes from market research to project design, from 3D design to experimental demonstration, from mold making to engineering testing, from supplier development to material procurement, from production to testing, from product delivery to after-sales service, and so on. In accordance with TS 16949 Quality Management System and national international standards, ensure that each product can meet the customer's demands. JENNYCAR has more than a dozen technical research and development team with an extensive experience and accumulated profound technology in thermal science, optics, material science, mechanical structure, electronic hardware and software, graphic design, etc. The car lights must be safe. For this reason, the company has invested heavily in the construction of 25 meters by 8 meters by 3 meters light darkroom that match international standards, as well as professional car light distribution test systems and light color electrical integration test systems to lay a solid foundation for the research and development, experimenting test and quality assurance of JENNYCAR LED. The car lights must be reliable. For this purpose, JENNYCAR has constructed a fully automatic aging line and environmental laboratory with high and low temperature, constant humidity test boxes, professional high temperature test boxes, precision salt service test boxes, and product vibration tests, analog vehicle transport vibration test bench, multi-channel temperature rise intelligent test system, lifetime test laboratory. All of these provide a firm guarantee for the stability and reliability of the quality of our car lights. At the same time, the comprehensive laboratory of JENNYCAR has advanced secondary element measuring instrument, high-frequency signal generator, oscilloscope, programmable digital power supply, and experimental soldering station, etc. In order to manufacture high-quality LED car lights, JENNYCAR has constructed an anti-static and dust-free workshop, 2 advanced intelligent production lines, 1 100% automatic aging line, and 2 SMT production lines, equipped with automatic scraping paste machine, high-speed, high-precision placement machine, 10 temperature zone reflow soldering, AOI testing equipment. The monthly production capacity of our LED car lights is 200,000 sets. The enterprise spirit of JENNYCAR is integrity, pragmatic, innovation, high quality, service-oriented, and win-win cooperation in the market. We firmly hold the belief, help you see and be seen more clearly. So here, all the colleagues in JENNYCAR will keep on working hard to provide safe, reliable, high-quality, intelligent, and environmentally friendly LED car lights and services to our honorable clients.